SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, and deep cleaning on Dell Inspiron 143467 laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Jovi, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading to an SSD, increasing RAM capacity, and performing a deep cleaning on a laptop is an excellent choice that significantly enhances performance, efficiency, and longevity. An SSD upgrade replaces the traditional hard drive HD with a faster, more reliable storage solution, resulting in quicker boot times, faster file access, and smoother overall performance. Meanwhile, a RAM upgrade allows the laptop to handle multiple applications simultaneously, reducing lag and improving speed for gaming, content creation, and productivity tasks. Additionally, deep cleaning ensures that the laptop remains cool and dust-free, preventing overheating, thermal throttling, and long-term hardware damage. Over time, dust accumulation can cause performance drops and system instability, making regular cleaning essential for optimal operation. By combining these three upgrades, users experience a dramatic improvement in speed, multitasking ability, and overall system reliability, making it a highly beneficial and cost-effective decision to extend the lifespan and efficiency of their laptop. SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade, RAM upgrade, and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.